Welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherris. In today's video, I am going to talk about RedotPay app. These are the partners that have partnered with RedotPay app. So for those of you who are saying it is a scam, just see AWS Binance has partnered with this. So you do get two cards when you download the link. So the physical card or the virtual card, but I will talk more about that when we continue. So in order for you to get started, you do need to click this referral link. You will find it on the video description, and after clicking it, it will download an app that looks like this one. So you will have this RedotPay app. As you open it, you will see a screen like this. So you do need to get yourself verified, but it will be a step-by-step guide that will show you. So this is the amount that I have now passively, guys, because I've been invited. So when I buy using this card, I basically log it to my phone and I am able to buy using this card. So when you get to the screen, you'll see there's a deposit. So when you first install it, you won't have money in this card. So you do need to buy. So you can either transfer from one crypto like Luna or Binance by using on-chain, or you can buy the money, but you do need to deposit money in order for you to buy the card. So you do not get active by just downloading the app. So you do get the $5, but you do need to deposit at least $10 in order for you to buy the card, and then you'll be active. You'll be able to start making money. So as I show you here, if you deposit 1,000, you'll get 56 USD. So just deposit maybe $12 so that you'll be able to buy your virtual card. And then if you want the physical card, you will have to deposit $100. But start with a virtual card so that you can understand how to use it. Okay, so let's move on from the screen so you'll be able to see even more. And then after depositing the money, you will be able to buy, and I'll show you how to buy. But let's start with swapping. So let's say maybe you deposited your money and it is on USDC or maybe XRP. You'll be able to select the currency that you want to buy. So just go to USDT. You'll be able to buy the cards, and then you can click available amount in order to show, but then you do need $10 in order for you to buy. So for me, I do not have any $20. I only have $6 from my passive income. So you just click available, and then it will show the amount, and you'll be able, but it does need to be at least $10. So the next thing that you're going to see are the transactions that I have made. So right now I just try to buy a crypto. It will show something like that as pending, but then let me show you transactions showing you that I have used this card to buy. Anywhere where there's a Visa sign, you'll be able to buy. So I bought at KFC, I bought at Spa, and also I've earned commission. Can you see I've earned commission? I did a withdrawal as well. So guys, these are the transactions that I've already done on this card. So when you click the three dots, it will show you even more. So this is where you will see more. You will see credit if you want credit, referral if you want to start any money. So you do need to click this part. As you can see, I've invited 410 people, and there's $2 that is processing. So this is my referral link and also my referral code. When I send it, I can send it to WhatsApp status, I can send it to Facebook. You can save this picture and then send it. So as you can see, I'm sending this for people to join, and as they join, I'll be able to earn money from that, because I do get 40% of that. So if you want to send on maybe like Pinterest or maybe Facebook, you'll be able to do that. So you can just click and save it on Pinterest, and as and when people click the link, they'll be able to actually promote. So there are different ways you can use to promote this card. So you can send it on social media, your friends, you can just get them. Guys, all you need is 180 Rand in South African rands, which is $10, and you'll be able to buy the virtual card. And as you buy the virtual card, you are now active, guys. So when you are active, you'll be able to earn. You get your referral link, you are able to get the $5 that you have earned. You can even go and spend that $5 that you get when you actually join this. So there's more. So you can click there as well to get your referral link, And there's also gift. You can send a gift to your friend. Maybe say you made money and you want your friend to join a RedotPay app. They can just download the app and you can send them the gift for them to buy the virtual card. So this is the quickest way to make money and safe, guys, legal. I mean, they've partnered with Visa as well. They've partnered with Binance and so many big companies, AWS, Alibaba. So, guys, you can actually make money from this. So, the more you send to people and they download and click and actually create an account, that's where you get up to 40%. So, guys, can you see already that I haven't invited anyone, but I am earning passive income every day because those people that that downloaded the app, as they use their card, also get something from that. So this is like your bank card as well, which you can use. If you want to withdraw money, you can send it to Luno and withdraw, or you can use P2P. There's a way to withdraw from here. If you have the card one, you can go to your spa and actually withdraw. So can you see now? Virtual card and physical card. Physical card is $100. Virtual card is $10. So now let's just go down so you can see right at the bottom. You can click card. You will be able to see the card. So let's just go there so you can see. So let's move. Let me wait for my cursor to go to card at the bottom. You'll be able to see the card that I've bought, which is the virtual one. $10 only once off, and then I have. And then the next one will show you the swapping, and then the next one will show you what you have, the assets, guys. So this is the simplest way to make money. You can even make money to buy a car with this one. You just need to refer it to more people, and then you'll be able to make that. Those 40%, guys, are good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did learn something from this video. Remember, you will get the link on the video description. Thank you.